Hello my YouTube friends. Today I will show you in this video beautiful Crochet mat ice cream model. This ice cream model is different style. Some ice creams is cone and some chalk bar, chocolate cups and different design and style. You can make big and small ice cream. You can use this ice cream models to decorate in your home and your shops, especially ice cream shops.